Given the recent developments in the stablecoin industry, investors are asking me if I still like Visa stock and if I still recommend Visa stock because I've recommended Visa stock, I should say, as a buy for several years now. I own Visa stock in my own portfolio, and Visa was, I believe, the best dividend stock to buy. I rated in the beginning of last year. So I've been bullish on Visa and MasterCard for that matter. I own both in my portfolio. And so I wanted to touch on some of those investor concerns and update my recommendation for Visa and let you know if I still think this company is a buy right now. So we had some interesting insights from Federal Reserve Governor Christopher Waller on Thursday, who said that stablecoins will bolster competition in the payment system, and that was a good thing. The rise of stablecoins will make many types of payments cheaper and faster. And that's the goal for me as a free market capitalist and economist, is that I want competition in the payment system to drive down the cost for households and consumers and businesses. So let's break down what that means or what that could mean for Visa and MasterCard for that matter. So when I look at this chart I pulled up here from 2015 to 2025, this looks at, in the blue, Visa's operating revenues, and in the orange, Visa's operating income. By the way, this chart I'm getting from fiscal.ai, an excellent service for aggregating data and pulling out really insightful charts like this. There's a link in the description if you're interested. So, two things to notice here with Visa. Number one is the excellent revenue growth from 15.9 billion in 2015 to 37.6 billion in 2025, more than doubling. Okay. The next thing to note is the improvement in operating income from 9.1 billion in 2015 up to 25.1 billion in 2025. So while revenue more than doubled, operating income almost tripled in that time. In fact, revenue increased by a compounded annual growth rate of 9.7%, and operating income increased at a compound annual growth rate of 11.6% in that time. So to answer the question, do I think Visa stock is a buy at current prices? I think so. I updated my recommendation here, recommending this stock as a buy on July 10th, 2025, while also acknowledging that the risks have increased. Click the link below to watch the full video.